Hey guys, so in this video, I'm gonna talk about 5 easy hacks you can make to saving money. You see these hacks right here? This is what I always do. Anytime I'm spending my money, I always remind myself about this. So let me talk about number 1. You wanna introduce yourself to a new way of thinking about money. If you're spending money on something, if you're trying to, let's say you're trying to buy something, think about how much it will cost you if you bought something else. Like let's say you're about to buy something for $1,000, right? Think about how many hours you have to work for that money. If you're getting paid $20 an hour or $10 an hour, $15 an hour, $50 an hour, whatever it is, right? Think about how many hours you traded to be able to spend for that money. Let's say you're buying the iPhone and it costs you $1,000 and you pay $10 and you work $10 an hour. How many hours did it cost you to work for this iPhone? That's how you want to think about money, because your time is more valuable than the money. So if you need to save every money you have, because if you think about money like that, it's easy for you to save that money and not spend it on random stuff. If you're spending your money on random stuff, just know that it's gonna cost you more time to save that money again. So think about the hours you spend at work to saving that money before you spend that money. Number 2, reframing your earnings. Immediately when you start making money, I want you to save 20% of that money, because when you save 20% of your money, when you have some money saved, it's always gonna make you think about, man, it's gonna make you think twice before spending that money, because now you have money saved. You're not just trying to survive, you have money. So now when stuff comes your way, you're gonna think twice about it because you have money saved. Now your thinking is gonna be different. I remember when I first started, right, I wanted to save $10,000 and I wanted to save $100,000. When I had that saved, when people came my way to ask me to do stuff, I always would not really pay no mind, because I have money saved, I could think clear. So save 20% of your money right away, so then you will start thinking clear. Because now you're gonna be able to pick and choose what you wanna do. You're not gonna be making an impulsive decision because you wanna make more money. Save 20% of every single dollar you have coming in. Save that. And I know it's hard. It's gonna be hard when you first start because there's so much temptation. But save 20% right away. By saving 20%, it's gonna save you in your future. Number 3, the cash equivalent. If you rather keep the cash than the item, it means you don't need the item. If you rather keep the money that you actually have than that item you wanna buy, you don't need the item. Don't spend your money on the item because you don't really need it. I've spent so much money on stuff that I don't need and I haven't. I'm like, why did I buy this? I'm sure you have. So now when you actually start making some money, remind yourself, if I don't need this item, if I need my cash more than I need this item, it means I don't need that item. When you start doing that, you're gonna start saving more money. Number 4, stash your savings. Guys, you wanna look at yourself like a squirrel in the winter. You see how the squirrel in the winter, they're always stashing their nuts? That's how you wanna make yourself. Stash your savings. Stash your savings. Stashing that savings is always gonna save you, guys. You're gonna stash. If you start stashing your savings right now, you're gonna save so much money. Guys, I know friends who was freaking working at freaking McDonald's that saved over $20,000 because they stashed their savings. It don't matter how much money you making, you can always save. Save that money. Save that money you have, because it's always gonna save you. Number 5, your opportunity cost. Anytime you spend your money, think about how much, if that opportunity is gonna actually yield you more money. If you spend your money on something, make sure you're spending your money on something that's gonna make you more money. Don't spend your money on buying stuff that's just gonna be temporary stuff. What I like to spend my money on is learning new information. Every month, like me personally, I spend $10,000 a month because I have the luxury to do that now. When I was first starting, I still was spending money on learning something new all the time. Every single month, I always try to learn something new from different mentors. I always try to learn. That's what you should be doing. Every single month, you should be learning something new, trying to go to new seminars. That's the only thing that's gonna actually yield you more money. I have never spent my money on something but learning something new that I didn't gain something from it. If you spend your money on learning something new, you're always gonna gain more than you spent that money on. There's gonna be new way of thinking. You're gonna adapt. You're gonna adapt new way of thinking from the people you're learning from. So what I wanna tell you guys is that get some books, get some courses. I have a whole bunch of courses where I have a course that teaches you basically how to start an online store, which is a simple and easy way to start learning something new to make more money. Like you can click the link down below and you can get that course. It's really proficient and show you exactly how to start this online business and get yourself online to making some money. But you wanna make sure that you spend your money on learning something new. Do not spend your money on items that you're not gonna even think about a year from now. If you're spending your money on something, you wanna make sure that stuff is gonna impact you in a way that you're gonna be able to make more money in the next couple of years. And you're gonna learn something new, you're gonna learn a new skill set. But if you spend your money on just items, you're gonna be like, man, why did I buy this stuff? Like every single day we spend our money on stuff that does not contribute to our success. We go to the club all the time, spend thousands of dollars, shoes, clothes. Guys, Jeff Bezos, even look at Steve Jobs, he has one t-shirt and the same pants. He wears the same thing all the time because he doesn't care about that. All he spends his money on is learning something new. Learning something new, and you want to spend your money on learning something new all the time. For the first 2 years I started my business, all I spent my money on was learning something new. I didn't care about anything else. I was in my girlfriend's mom's basement just there working day in and day out. I didn't buy no new clothes. I didn't buy no new t-shirts because none of that stuff matters anyways. Who are you gonna please? No, people don't care. You pleasing other people you're not even gonna care about these people 4 years from now. Stop pleasing people. Every money you spend on yourself is to learn something new. Every single money you get, learn something new. I promise you, your life is gonna be way farther than those people that you're trying to please. So every single day, I post video just like this, helping you become successful and taking you to where you wanna go. I want you, make sure you like and subscribe to my video on my YouTube channel. Like and subscribe right now. And I'm gonna see you guys on my next video.